Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Male brains on average have a total volume that is between 8% and 30% larger than that of females. This is Frederick the Great, unofficially known as being the world's most handsome horse. Being hit by lightning causes weird skin design called Lichtenberg figures. "41 new species are discovered by scientists every single day." Gorilla uses sign language to tell someone that he is not allowed to be fed by visitors. A local newspaper rejected Walt Disney. He caused evolution. The brain starts to eat itself after sleep chronic deprivation. Crush is the only reason why a book lover attends a party and a backbencher visits the library. A place where all your photos, videos, comments and other information is being stored. This is called Facebook Data Center. People don't sneeze in their sleep due to the brain shutting down the reflex. In 2011, a monkey was arrested in Pakistan for crossing the border with India. Cotton candy was invented by a dentist named William Morrison. This is a very rare condition in which the victim has two pupils in their eyes. It is known as pupillar diplex. The more attracted you are to someone, the easier it is for them to make you laugh. Giant statues of 42 US presidents are hidden on a farm in rural Virginia. A man in India crashed his 4.6 crore Aston Martin to save a stray dog. This 150-year-old wisteria tree is the most beautiful one in the world. Man's wife saves all her Amazon purchase boxes from the past 2 years to place her on her porch for her husband to come home and see this on April 1. Japan has a library hotel where you can sleep in bookshelves. This will be every book lover's paradise. Your brain is an insane hard drive. There are more than 1200 water parks in North America. This is what a supermoon at the temple of Poseidon looks like. Only half of the dolphin's brain goes to sleep when asleep and the other half stays awake. After the dinosaurs went extinct, there was a species of large turtles that could eat crocodiles. In 1994, LA police arrested a man for dressing up as Grim Reaper and standing outside the windows of old people's homes and staring inside. Scientists finally concluded that the chicken came first, not the egg, because the protein which make eggshell is only produced by hens. The women of the Mursi tribe in Africa wear plates on their lips that they can be as large as 5 inches in diameter. This sculpture looks like a ghost at the castle of Vizio, Italy. Shumuk at US $1.295 million is the world's most expensive perfume. This is what an 11-minute exposure of thunderstorm look like. Michael Jackson wanted to be Spider-Man so badly that he attempted to buy Marvel. Turn your phone upside down to experience the that sure effect hit like when you say it. Pablo Picasso painted this when he was 15 years old. These are skulls and tusks of dozens of giant mammoths that died in Mexico 15,000 years ago after being hunted by humans. Dogs can see sadness in humans and often attempt to make their owners happy by initiating cuddling. There are more than 17,500 recorded butterfly species. Liquid tungsten is so hot that if it came in contact with lava, the tungsten would freeze immediately. In space, astronauts cannot cry because there is no gravity and tears can't flow. Indonesia is home to some of the shortest people in the world. In 2001, Argentina had 5 presidents just in 10 days. Earth is the only known planet where fire can burn. No other planets have enough oxygen to produce fire. Humans need to breathe about 20,000 1-liter bottles of air every day. A person turns 10 million minutes old when they have lived 19 years and 4 days. If you have a sore throat, gargling key lime and sea salt water is one of the oldest and most effective remedies. The Titanoboa snake lived about 60 to 58 million years ago and is the largest, longest and heaviest snake ever discovered. Dubai's Toyota Tower has witnessed some pretty significant transformative changes over its lifetime. Impressive. Thanks for watching.